There's really two ways to load these and fire them. The first one is really just insert the mag. Okay, so the mag's in there, the bolt's closed, and there's nothing chambered. But really, all it is pull the charging handle, release it, and now it's chambered. Once it's chambered, then it's really just fire. Okay. The other way that these are loaded and fired is the last shot, kind of like a semi-auto handgun or pistol. When the last round is fired, essentially, it's going to lock open like so, and you'll have an empty magazine in here. Okay, so then you'll drop the magazine. They're all the same button here. The magazine will drop. You'll take the full magazine, again, dummy rounds, snap caps. You'll take the full magazine, and just like a semi-auto pistol, the bolt is back, or the firing pin is back, and the magazine's in there waiting to be charged, and the bolt's ready to be driven home, loading the round into the chamber. So these all work the same. There's a release bolt catch, and that's right here. So when you throw in the new fresh magazine, they all look the same. It's just the release bolt catch. You press this, and it drives it home. Now you're ready to go. Bang. And it's just, they're all similar, they all work the same. The magazine release is the same. The safe fire on the military version, it's safe fire and full auto, or it's safe, semi-auto, full auto, but it's just this three selector here. That's kind of it.